Guys, from this village in the south of Crete. We arrived here in the morning. We spent the day on the beach and we got a little bit of a tan, which is good. And now we're going to an event from one of my best friends that she's running a ceramic brand, and she's doing like a workshop, and we're gonna go there. We're gonna see if we can make our own mugs basically and paint them. But that's the little life update. I'm gonna show you what's the vibe here, and we'll speak later. Friends, say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Here in Greece, Crete, Camilleri, the best vibes in South Crete, in South Europe. You live the moment here.
Everyone, oh my god, I look crazy, but I just came back from the beach. It's Sunday night and we arrived back from South of Crete, which we spent the full weekend there. It was such a fun time with friends. We're like a group of 8 people, I think. It was just friends. It was so fun. We went basically with the excuse of go seeing our friend who is organizing this kind of ceramic workshop, but it ended up being like 2 days in the beach, going out, having lots of good food, and yeah, Crete was fun to came back. I already have a little bit of a tan. That's the little life update. Just came back. It's almost like 10 p.m. It was such a short and quick getaway. But now I'm just gonna relax because tomorrow I'm working again. This kind of full week I'm working, maybe half a week I'm working. But tomorrow I'll need to do a few churns here and there. I need to renew my passport because it's close to expiring, which is kind of alarming, but I still have time. So I'll need to wake up tomorrow to do that. Other than that, nothing major, nothing new. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Hi guys, happy Monday. I am back in Heraklion and just finished work. I literally ran to the center to do some churns and buy a few things, and now I'm just driving to like a beach house and I'm just gonna stay there tonight. We are gonna lay down a little bit on the pool or go to the beach, and the plan is to relax a bit. The plan is to also try to go to nearby hotel and use the gym facilities because I haven't worked out in a few days and I really want to catch up before I leave for my holidays. And yeah, it's gonna be like a chill night. Maybe I'm gonna go out for dinner, but like in a casual place, like a taverna style, because I'm just like missing some proper Greek food, to be honest. I would say that's a little plan of the day. I'm sad in my house also because my parents again are away on vacation, so I'm alone at the house, and they also brought with them my dog, so I literally don't have him again and I'm going crazy. But yeah, I have been FaceTiming him to see him because I miss him. I just saw him for like literally one day before I go out for the weekend, and they also left, so now I'm not gonna see him for like a week. I'm working until Thursday and then I'm off, which is very exciting, but that's why I'm trying to catch up and do all the things I want to do before I go on vacation. Yep, that's a little life update. We'll speak later. Morning guys, I literally woke up. It's 9:30 a.m. and I ran to get ready because I have my nail appointment, which I'm gonna do mani-pedi here. I'm literally doing all the things you do when you come back to your hometown. I did my lash lift, which I love, and I'm gonna do my nails finally in a salon. And I need to rush, but I quickly wanted to show you my outfit. Not that it's a very important appointment, but still I feel like it's cute. I woke up and I was feeling pink today. So I'm wearing like this cute top. I think it's from Gunny. I have it for a few years, but I think it's like patchwork from different kind of shirts because it has a different pattern here and behind. Then my shorts are from Naked, and I feel like that was the collaboration that they did with Claire Rose, the influencer, like a couple of years ago. Shoes are Hermes errands in gold color, And I have something new to show you, which are these amazing sunglasses. I got them last week and these are Saint Laurent. I love the color, especially the lenses, because you can clearly see the eyes, and I'm kind of like, I was searching for something like that. They also have it without this kind of transparent lens, but I really wanted these for this specific purpose. And I'm also gonna bring this bag, which I stole it from my mother. I actually got it for her from Japan last year. Kind of get the opportunity to wear it because I searched it for her there. So I can wear that. It's a vintage Gucci Jackie. And pretty much that's it. I also have my morning Starbucks, which I ordered in ice today. And they did this amazing, they wrote Kalimera, which means good morning. They also put a heart and they draw this little cute thing here. So they kind of spend a lot of effort, but I'm actually ordering from them every day. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go for my nail appointment and we'll speak later. Hi guys. Just got ready because I'm going out to a party, a Greek party actually, unfortunately. But that's not fully my vibe, but we're rolling with this because all of my friends are going. So I wanted to show you my little OTD. So I put my little Pucci scarf as a top and I just fold it behind, so it's kind of a bandeau kind of thing. Then I'm wearing like a midi low-rise skirt, which I feel like it's so nice in the back that you can kind of see the low-rise, but it's actually midi. And then I'm wearing my black errands. And that's pretty much it. I did my full glam. I also put this amazing new necklace that I think I got from COS, if I'm right. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you tomorrow. Today is actually my last night here before I go on vacation. But in any case, I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye! Morning guys, I don't even know the day. Happy Thursday. Oh my god, I have completely lost it. Today is the best day ever because it's vacations day, the most important day of the month. So before I close the video, I wanted to catch up on the plan because I keep on telling you about vacation, and I haven't actually properly say what we're gonna do. So me and my group of best friends, we're gonna go to Patmos this year. This is an island I have been trying to organize for 3 years. Yet last year actually we also had booked everything, we had paid for everything, and then last minute I changed the company that I was working for and I had to move to the UK, so I had to not go and that meant that I lost basically everything that I have paid for that trip. That made me extra sad, as you can understand. But I really wanted to go because I've heard the best. So the plan is we're gonna go there with my besties. This is something that we do every August. We do a girls trip for at least 4 or 5 days, especially between of the August 15th period, which is kind of a big thing in Greece. But going to Patmos, especially from Crete, is kind of a long journey. So the plan is tonight we're gonna take the plane, we're gonna travel to Athens, and then tomorrow morning, super early in the morning, we're gonna take a second plane and we're gonna travel to Leros, which is like kind of the closest island. It's supposed to be also one of the most beautiful islands in the area there. And then we're gonna take a little ferry and we're gonna go to Patmos. So it's gonna be a very long journey, especially what I'm dreading is kind of traveling at night, going to the house in Athens, staying there for like a couple of hours and then taking the car and going back to the airport. That's kind of stupid, but at the other hand, if we don't sleep at least a couple of hours, we're gonna be zombies, so we really need the sleep. But yeah, that's the crazy little plan we're gonna do with friends. We usually tend to go to Kyklades, which is way easier to travel from Crete. Usually we take a couple of ferries and we're there, but this year we wanted to do Patmos, which was a little bit of an extra trip. But I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. So I'm really looking forward for that. I've already made my luggage for this trip. I made it 2 days ago. That's how excited I am. That's the little plan of the upcoming days. I'm gonna close the video now. I'm gonna start it when we're going to Patmos. So the next one will be very, very interesting. But in the meantime, I will leave you. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you next one. Bye!